When calibration management depends on spreadsheets, paperwork, and constant reminders to tool owners, it can feel overwhelming, thankless, and a process out of your control. Lost tools, past deadlines, missing certificates. In any engineering and maintenance environment, the risks can be huge. Kit transforms calibration management, a cloud-based tool that logs every calibration date and certificate for all tools. No more chasing, no more searching. Kit informs you what's due, where it is, and when it's ready. The simple scan of a Kit QR code shows you the item's status and its location, instantly accessible on any device all of the time. With Kit, team members are reminded of calibration renewals well in advance, ensuring they never impact critical projects, safeguarding your team and reputation. Even internal tests and validations can be performed in Kit, with results calculated and published instantly. Kit, transforming calibration management.